Graphing another exponential problem, but this time my b, instead of it being greater than 1, it's going to be a fraction between 0 and 1. It's going to be 1/2. Okay, and the a is the invisible 1 that's not written down. So we're going to graph what we're going to consider the parent graph, g of x, which is 1/2 x, and then f of x, which is negative 1/2 x. All right, we'll use a t-chart with this. And I went through and chose the domain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, since it'll be close to the origin. Should make the math easier. And then 1/2 raised to the -2. Remember that if you have a negative exponent, you want the reciprocal, so I'll flip that over and make that 2/1 raised to the second power. So that's 4/1. So I've got 4 there. -2, 4. I graph 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then -1, when that's the x, I have 2/1 to the first power to make that -1 +1, which is just 2. So I'm graphing -1, 2 here. And then anything raised to the 0 is 1, so 0, 1 here. And then 1/2 raised to the 1 is 1/2. So I'm going to go right 1 and up 1/2 here. And then 1/2 raised to the 2 means 1 squared is 1 and 2 squared is 4. So I'm going to go to 2 1/4, which would be about here. So this is looking sort of like this. Now, notice that the only difference in this and this is there is a negative on the outside of the parentheses. So basically all I have to do is take these answers here that I got and change their signs. That would be a -4. It was 4, now it's -4. So I go left 2, down 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This -1 was 2, so this will be -2. So left 1, down 2. The 0 was 1, so it'll be a -1. So 0, -1. 1 was 1/2, so that'll be a -1/2. So write 1 down 1/2. And then 2 is at a 1/4, so it'll be a -1/4. So that'll be 2 1/4. And you'll see this going on. So this one is my f of x. And this one up here was my g of x. And the graph of f is a reflection in the x-axis. It flipped over that x-axis. The y-intercept is at -1, where it was at 1. The domain, these arrows indicate the x's could be anything on the x-axis, so that's all real numbers. And then the range of the f is, it's got to be less than 0. Y is less than 0.